That feeling when you cannot have something that you really, really want.
No. No. You can't eat the broom. You can't eat the broom.
How can anything be this soft? Just want to rub that belly immediately. No one can refuse an invitation to cuddle from a cute kitten like this.
Well, no. You don't need more food.
Yes, with a body like this amount of food is definitely too little.
Excuse me. How did you even get up there? Well, how do you expect me to get you down? I'm too short.
Honestly, this cat's a whole pop star in the making. Perhaps this cat is feeling very lonely. When you have big dreams, but your weight holds you back.
Salam alaikum.
We meet this cat again. Let's listen to his tone when he speaks Arabic.
Alhamdulillah.
A sweet moment where it feels like the whole world has disappeared, leaving just the owner and his beautiful cat. That little pout is breaking my heart. Somebody hug this kitty.
When you want to hang out with your best buddy and have some beer, but his girlfriend's in the way.
Hey, I got a fat belly. I got a fat.
Wait.
他这样假嘴，
骗你
很高点了，我看不到一把。妈，
That cat now believes there is a full of werewolf living in the house.
What? What? Is your food bowl empty?
What? You're okay with that, but you don't like this.
Good morning, Barty. What are you cleaning your fur, baby? Getting ready for the day. Can you say bonjour?
Maybe the cat is thinking, did I just hear French? How does she know my secret?
Okay. Yeah. Wah, wah, wah.
The most irresistible moment is when the cat activates unconditional love request mode.
You doing good? Okay. Why did you hide when everybody came over? Were you scared? Oh,
This conversation is so
you were
adorable,
scared.
isn't
I'm
it?
sorry. Chiba.
Wow, that was a big meow. Such a little guy.
Like a mother and her little child,
You're so needy.
the mother always understands what her
Are you a
child
good boy?
says and vice versa.
Are you the bestest boy?
Stuck? The cat called its owner for help.
Babies! Hi! Where's your sis? Hi, Rosie! Hi, Goldie! I know, are you excited, Mama?
就是这个看着虽然看出来是一个保姆店，第二个保姆店，然后呢就是一个保姆专用的洗澡店，它那边呢有一个小小的楼梯，这个楼梯通往呢就是运动。
Looks like someone's enjoying a spa day fit for royalty. There are days when you don't want to do anything, and this cat feels the same. When you reluctantly model, but end up breaking the internet for being too adorable, that sassy meow was basically cat speak for "How dare you?" This kitty's like, I'm not arguing. I'm just explaining why I'm right.
真是吃的多拉的多。
It seems this cat's ears are a no-go zone. One touch, and you get an instant warning.
Hi, Jill. What's she doing? Were you taking a
The
nap?
cat is not only classy, but also speaks English. Any adorable or interesting stories about your cats? Feel free to share them in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed the video, and see you in the next one.
Let's go.
Goodbye.
Yeah.
Aji, Mommy has something important to tell you. Listen up now. You're adopted.
Wait, what? Adopted? You kidding me?
Hi, Mom. No, I haven't eaten yet. Yeah, I haven't had any dinner. Yeah, I'm super hungry. I would love a treat, actually. Do you want a treat? Shh, I'm talking to Grandma.
You want to come outside? Okay. Come on. Okay.
That moment of panic when the cat realizes, I'm not ready to be a parent.
President Big Billy is back, and he has an important message to his nation.
Блин, слышишь, как кричит? На уши, на ушки одела. Одела ушки так голову, обруч. Он прям вообще Боня.
A rare moment when the cat gives up napping to focus on fitness.
Ayang mau ke siapa? Mau ke mama? Mamanya di mana? Mamanya di mana?
The cat that was staring too much.
Hi. Hey, Mama's baby girl. You are? Are you a pretty girl? Meow if you're pretty. Oh! Say meow.
Who knew a kitty on a swing could be this adorable?
咪咪，咪咪，躺下。
This kitty is telling exactly how it is.
Honestly, this kitty's the reason hoodie pockets were invented. Sharing these adorable moments with us. If you love heartwarming cat stories, share your experience in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never... Leaning against the window, eyes half closed, this cat is definitely dreaming of a kingdom full of fish. When you want to work, but your Royal Highness wants to play. The cat doesn't need to say a word. Lying down is enough to make humans understand. When you're having dinner and suddenly realize you need a little more greens for a balanced meal.
Okay. Hey.
Thank you for watching until the end. I hope these adorable cat moments made you smile. If you love these cute kitties too, don't hesitate to leave a comment and share your thoughts.
Baby, you hungry? Say yeah.
Huh?
She's a cat, but she doesn't say meow. She says hi.
Sheldon. Sheldy.
A relatable moment of sadness. Sometimes you just want to hide where no one can find you. Thank you for sharing. He's not lazy, he's in power-saving mode. Two fluff balls tangled together, like the outside world doesn't even exist.
Gì vậy?
That
Thả đi ra.
meow translates
Sao?
to, breakfast was supposed to be
Gì?
served
Cái
yesterday.
gì? Nghe cái gì?
What? What's... Why did you hit me? I'm just making the...
This kitty is telling exactly how it is.
When you're just strolling around and suddenly realize you're being followed by paparazzi. Is this cat even a real cat? I'm so surprised.
Wow.
Hello?
Hello.
Whoa.
Make it out.
¿Por qué te enojaste? No, ¿por qué estás enojado? Ay, caray. A ver, ¿por qué? Dinos.
These cats must have been members of a band in their past lives. This kitten was definitely born to be a comedy idol, not just a regular cat. Surely, Mom heard me calling. I want to come in with her.
For kittens, tails are also a weird and interesting toy at the same time.
Just hearing belly rub, and the cat instantly switches to backlay mode, ready to be pampered. Nothing in the world can top this kind of wholesomeness.
Okay. 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 Okay.
Can you say hello? Yes, you did.
Very chill, very relaxed, very full. You full? You just have a bottle? Did I make it okay? Was it okay?
Things we see as ordinary can be absolutely fascinating to these little dudes.
When you hear someone mention your name and instantly activate stealth detective mode.
You're not okay? No. Did I hurt you? I'm sorry.
Is that a kitten or a koala? You are so cute. What is your sister doing, guys? She is so silly. She's a koala.
The moment the cat declares, "No more work, it's cuddle time now."
Not there.
Huh?
Hidden switch. One pet, and the cat turns into a fluffy loaf of laziness. Look at that eager face. This kitten probably thinks it's about to drive off on a big adventure.
Hey!
Look at that serious face. Must be negotiating about some benefits.
没救你。
不好意思，不是。哎呦，哎呦妈！
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future videos. Thank you so much, and see you in the next one. This kitten is basically a weapon of mass heart destruction. Half-closed eyes, a slight smirk. This is the pure expression of someone basking in absolute bliss. I guess the owner just got home from work. The cat has been waiting for her all day.
Hi, sweet.
That meow clearly means dinner's late and heads will roll.
Yes?
People say cats are creatures of agility, but this moment is the exact opposite of that.
Their liveliness around human goes up in direct proportion to their trust.